Over 60? Eat this before bed to reboot your memory overnight. Imagine this. You walk into a room and for a moment, you can't remember why. Or you put down your glasses and spend 10 minutes looking for them. Sound familiar? If you're over 60, that tiny pause, that wait, what was I doing moment, might happen more often than you'd like. But here's the good news. Your brain is not broken. It's simply asking for better fuel, the kind that helps it rest, rebuild, and recharge while you sleep. Tonight, I'll show you how a few simple foods before bed can help you wake up with sharper memory, steadier focus, and more mental energy, all backed by real science. As we age, the brain changes in subtle ways. Blood flow slows down. Nerve connections take longer to fire. The cells that once repaired themselves quickly now need more rest and more nutrients to keep up. That's why what we eat, especially before bed, matters more than ever. Many older adults unknowingly go to bed with low blood sugar, mild dehydration, or nutrient gaps that quietly rob the brain of energy overnight. And that's when memory lapses, confusion, or even mood swings can creep in the next day. But you don't need pills or fancy supplements. Just a few ordinary foods, things you probably already have in your kitchen, can give your brain exactly what it needs to repair and strengthen while you sleep. Let's start by understanding the simple framework that makes this safe and effective for anyone over 60. Timing. When you eat matters. A light snack about 60 to 90 minutes before bed helps steady your blood sugar so your brain has energy for overnight repair. Balance. Combine protein, healthy fats, and slow carbs. That trio feeds your neurons without spiking blood sugar or disrupting sleep. Awareness. Notice how your body responds. If you feel bloated, restless, or wake up at 2 a.m., it's a sign to adjust your portion or timing. The goal isn't perfection, it's balance. Now, let's look at 9 everyday foods that can truly make a difference for memory, focus, and long-term brain health. A simple glass of warm milk before bed isn't just an old tradition. It's neuroscience in action. Milk contains tryptophan and calcium, which help your brain produce melatonin and serotonin, the chemicals that regulate sleep and mood. But there's another secret. Milk's natural lactose provides a slow, steady release of glucose to fuel your brain through the night. Low blood sugar during sleep is one of the main reasons people over 60 wake up foggy or anxious in the morning. How to use it safely. Warm 1 cup of low-fat or lactose-free milk. Add a pinch of cinnamon to improve circulation to the brain. Drink it 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Be cautious. If you're lactose intolerant or on antibiotics, choose lactose-free or soy milk instead. A teaspoon of almond butter at night is one of the simplest ways to support long-term memory. Why? Because almonds are rich in vitamin E and magnesium, nutrients that strengthen brain cell membranes and support neurotransmitters. Studies show that older adults who regularly consume vitamin E-rich foods perform better on memory and coordination tests. Safe practice. Take 1 teaspoon on a slice of whole grain toast or a banana. Avoid low-fat or sweetened versions. They often replace healthy oils with sugar. Caution. If you're on blood thinners, don't overdo it. Too much vitamin E can increase bleeding risk. Cottage cheese might not sound exciting, but it's quietly powerful for the aging brain. It's packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides amino acids to your brain and muscles for hours while you sleep. This keeps your blood sugar stable and supports neurotransmitters like dopamine, which helps you stay focused and alert the next day. How to eat. Half cup before bed, topped with a few berries or a drizzle of honey. Add a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra omega-3s. Avoid if you have kidney disease or are on a low-protein diet. Ask your doctor first. Eggs, especially the yolks, are rich in choline, a compound your brain uses to make acetylcholine, the messenger chemical for memory and focus. In one Tufts University study, adults with higher choline intake performed better on verbal memory tests and showed fewer signs of early cognitive decline. Evening tip: 2 soft scrambled organic eggs cooked in olive oil or butter make a great light dinner. Avoid overcooking. High heat destroys delicate nutrients. If you take cholesterol-lowering medication, consult your doctor about your weekly egg intake. Your brain is about 60% fat, and it loves omega-3s. These healthy fats strengthen cell membranes, reduce inflammation, and boost the communication between brain cells. Eating tuna or salmon twice a week has been linked with slower memory decline and better mood in seniors. How to prepare: 3 to 4 ounces of wild salmon or tuna, baked or steamed, with lemon and black pepper. Add a few steamed veggies for fiber balance. Avoid large predatory fish like swordfish or king mackerel. They contain more mercury. Choose wild-caught or light tuna. Did you know your gut and brain talk to each other constantly? Yogurt's probiotics help reduce inflammation and boost serotonin, improving both mood and mental clarity. A UCLA study found that women who ate probiotic yogurt daily showed better brain activity in regions controlling emotion and decision-making. Safe practice: choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Add a few walnuts or a drizzle of honey before bed. Avoid artificial sweeteners. They can disrupt gut bacteria and worsen brain fog. Tart cherry juice is one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall and stay asleep. Sleep is when your brain's cleaning crew, the glymphatic system, washes out toxins that build up during the day. When you sleep well, your memory and focus naturally improve. How to use: drink 4 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Combine with cottage cheese for extra overnight protein. If you're diabetic, watch sugar content. Dilute with water or choose sugar-free. Beets boost nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and improves oxygen delivery, including to your brain. More oxygen means better alertness and memory formation. One Wake Forest study found that seniors who drank beet juice before exercise had brain scans resembling much younger adults. Evening tip: roast or steam half a cup beets, drizzle with olive oil and lemon. Eat 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Be careful. If you take blood pressure medication or nitrates, ask your doctor first. The combination can lower BP too much. This might surprise you. A little whey protein or ricotta cheese before bed can boost memory by supporting glutathione, your brain's master antioxidant. Glutathione helps clear free radicals that damage brain cells, especially during stress or lack of sleep. Safe use: mix 1/2 scoop whey protein in warm milk, or eat 1/4 cup ricotta with berries. Ideal timing: 45 minutes before bed. Skip if you're lactose intolerant or have kidney issues. If you're finding this helpful, please give this video a quick like. It really helps YouTube share it with more seniors who care about staying sharp and independent. And don't forget to subscribe to Live Well, Age Well, so you never miss our next tip on memory, movement, and longevity. Now, let's wrap up what we've learned today with a simple guide you can follow starting tonight. Have a light, balanced snack 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Include slow protein, cottage cheese, milk, eggs. Add omega-3s twice weekly. Stay hydrated. Sip water through the day. Avoid heavy, greasy, or sugary foods late at night. Skipping dinner, it can drop blood sugar. Fried foods and processed oils. Overhydrating right before bed. Monitor how you sleep and how alert you feel in the morning. Any dizziness, bloating, or interrupted sleep. Memory lapses or increased fatigue. Morning confusion or mood swings. Q1. Do I need supplements for brain health? Not necessarily. Most people can get enough nutrients from food. Supplements help only if your diet is lacking. Always ask your doctor first. Q2. What if I can't sleep well even after eating right? Try adjusting timing. Eat earlier, reduce caffeine after noon, and keep your bedroom dark and cool. Q3. Can I eat eggs daily? For most healthy adults, yes. 1 to 2 per day is safe, but if you're on statins or have heart disease, discuss it with your physician. Q4. I'm diabetic. Can I have cherry juice or milk? Yes, but in small portions. Pair them with protein like yogurt or cottage cheese to slow sugar absorption. Q5. How long until I notice results? Most people feel clearer within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent habits, but lasting improvement takes steady practice and rest. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you take medication or have chronic conditions like diabetes, kidney disease, or high blood pressure, please talk to your doctor before changing your diet or supplements. Your body and your brain deserve care tailored to you. So tonight, before bed, give your brain a small act of kindness. A cup of warm milk, a spoon of cottage cheese, maybe a handful of berries. Small things done consistently can make a big difference over time. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Live Well, Age Well, where we help you stay sharp, strong, and joyful at every age.